You've seen so many matches, so many players. As the head scout of this program, what were you supposed to look at, and how did you find this challenge?
So this challenge also, like any other places, any other center, it was very close. But basically, we are looking for the type of player or quality of the player who will be later on not disappoint us when they go abroad, because they are going to represent the country, and definitely they have to be competitive based on maybe physical abilities, technique, skill, strength, stamina, and weight and height. All these plus awareness about the surrounding of the during the game.
The game
And
intelligence.
yes, and then their understanding and pick up ideas from the opponents which they play against. All these are the things which we consider at the time selecting the players.
Okay.
And result also till now had been very good. First 3 years we were semi-finalists in the international tournament in Arsenal Football
Yeah.
Carnival, and fourth year we were champion.
Yeah.
So that shows that our country, India, has got a great potential, great talent is available, but depend upon how we harvesting the talent, how we provide them infrastructure, exposure, channelizing their development, their growth, monitor all this and provide them proper training. All these are required. Then we will see that India will stand in the map of football, not only in Asia, maybe in the world, because countries like Saudi, Japan, Korea, China, they have done their homework from grassroots, from age 10 to 12. That is included of providing them, as I said, exposure and infrastructure, good training, proper monitoring of their growth, and channelizing their development. All these are required for the development of our Indian football.
Right. I hope Goa has not disappointed you, and you have picked out some future stars, maybe.
Definitely, definitely. We hope they will be selected by the Inter Milan coaches in the final selection
Yeah.
and go to Europe.
Well, it has been a very entertaining evening watching these youngsters play, and it gave us a real good insight into the level of the young footballers here in Goa. The boys under the age of 15 years, they got talent, and probably some of these talented boys will be in the Indian team, which will go to Inter Milan. But that is a lot away from us now, because the winning team will go to Shillong, and they will compete in the national round, and then from the national pool of 30 players, maybe some Goan will be good enough to get into the selection, and the team will go to Milan. Maybe in future we'll have some players as good as Inter Milan, Schneider, Zanetti, Forlan, and you can see them on the backdrop here. Maybe some players will be as good as them, and maybe the Indian football will come up to the level it is not at right now. And we would really love to see Indian football growing from strength to strength. That's all the time we have on Simply Sport. Keep watching Prudent Media. We will be back next week. Goodbye.